up, down, all through. So when I finish this line, I'm gonna cut another line to this end and continue the same thing, the same process. Yeah, I'll show you guys one more time. No, let me see.